fantasy just because it didn't align properly. Doesn't mean there is no reality out infinity, a world of possibility and probability. It might be you and me, probably. We're broken and we found the place we call the garden, hidden, a vital part of our existence that some people call it a station, a destination separated by distance. We were empty, and if love is gravity, it will attract us, you and me, and make our life happy and merry. We will shine our days sunny. We were nothing, but we have a feeling that we could be separating, and it started us wishing good night and good morning. We are lovely, relax, take this easy. A twist we couldn't see. We fear it might be temporary, because sometimes destiny have a different story. We are together, but like the weather, it brings rainbow and sometimes thunder. So let's pray for the better. And if it's you, I wish